Going 3 states.
I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage.
Sorry, did you get that?
You hungry, dude? Fucking starving.
Are you gonna go hiking another day?
Well, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, unless we want to hike in the rain, which I'm down for, but...
What's up, content? We're here in the Green Mountain State, and there's blue mountains on my beer.
And if they're blue?
Yeah, it's for you.
Oh, yeah, what happened? Did you go to the wrong address?
Yeah!
No.
We could have filmed our video with the fucking mountain behind us.
Emmett's bringing his guitar, I think, so we can do it tomorrow in the rain.
Oh my god, that's so aesthetic.
Yeah. It's not a habit. I wouldn't say I have a habit of keeping soup cans in a fridge, but at one point in my life, there was a soup can in the fridge, and it led to an unfortunate drop onto my foot.
Oh, no.
No, cut that.